Welcome to my video Private Label Rights, your reselling options and how to make money with PLR. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. Over the past few years, a number of new business opportunities have started appearing all over the internet. One of those opportunities involves the buying of private label resale rights. By agreeing to purchase the resale rights to a particular product, you will be able to profit from the sale of it. Unfortunately, there are many individuals who end up losing money on this opportunity because they were unable to generate enough sales. If you are interested in purchasing the resale rights to a particular product, it is advised that you have a plan first. Many individuals get into trouble by losing money because they entered into this opportunity not fully understanding what was required of them. To make money from acquiring the resale rights to a product, you will need to sell that product. Whenever you make a sale, you will begin to see a profit. However, for many individuals, making a sale isn't as easy as it sounds. When it comes to selling a product, whether that product was obtained through private label resale rights or not, you need to find effective marketing strategies and selling methods. These methods may include the use of online classified ads, the use of online auction websites, or the development of a product website. Before deciding on a particular selling method, you are advised to examine the advantages and disadvantages of each. This is important because different selling methods work different ways for different individuals and products. No two have the same results. Classified ads can be used to sell a product, which you have obtained the resale rights to. With classified ads, your best bet is to use online advertisements. Most private label products are designed with internet users in mind. Therefore, it only makes sense that you should use the internet to target these individuals. When examining online classified ads, you will find that most are free to post. However, not all are. You will need to decide whether you want to pay for a service that you can obtain for free somewhere else. Another popular selling method is to create your own website. This website should be used to outline the product which you are selling and the cost of it. Even if you do not know how to design your own website, you should be able to take part in this popular and effective selling method. Professional website developers can create a professional website for a small fee, or you can build your own website with the assistance of a site builder. It is also important that you add a shopping cart to your site. This shopping cart will enable your customers to purchase your product online. You can also use an online auction website to sell your product. Online auction websites will give your product the opportunity to be viewed by thousands, if not millions, of consumers. The only problem with online auction websites is that more and more individuals are using this selling method to sell products, which they have acquired the resale rights to. This competition may make it difficult or impossible for your product to sell. The above-mentioned selling methods are just a few of the many that you can use. In fact, you are urged to use as many different selling methods as you can. The more exposure your product gets, the more likely it will be to sell. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resale rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.